I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Come on. I'm about to show you what I have for breakfast sometimes. How many of y'all like oatmeal? Yes, oatmeal. Now, I'm not talking about this instant stuff. Don't get me wrong now. It's good, it's great, you know, when you're in a hurry and you're just ready to just eat something quick. But today, people, y'all can see it in the background, I am cooking Quaker Oats Old Fashioned Oatmeal, y'all. This is 100% whole grain oats. This is much better than that. Is that by Quaker Oats? Yeah, than the instant. Much better than this. Trust me, you want to make this. But I've realized a lot of people don't know how to make this oatmeal. They say it's not done. They don't know what they're doing. It don't taste good. Well, I'm about to show you what you can add to it and how long you need to cook it, okay? Follow my recipe and you will be all right. But not only that, y'all, it's on the back of the box, okay? Back of the box. Let me tell you, y'all better be getting some oatmeal and rice and all that other stuff, because what's going on in this world right now, trust me, you want to stock up on this. Rice, beans, you know, stuff like that. Something that are fillers that will fill you up. All right, let me move right along, because evidently my bird Twinkie, he does not like what I'm saying. And on that note, y'all, let's make some old-fashioned oatmeal. Whew. Here are all the ingredients I will be using. I will be using 1 cup of Quaker Old Fashioned oatmeal. Wonderful stuff, y'all. Good for the heart. You see the heart down there? Oatmeal can reduce cholesterol. That's what they say now. 1 cup. And I'm also going to use some ground cinnamon. You know, you can put whatever you want to in your oatmeal. You can put nuts, cinnamon, whatever you want to put, okay? Fruit. I'm going to also use Watkins Pure Vanilla Extract. Yes, vanilla extract is good inside of oatmeal, okay? And of course, I use sugar. I put sugar in my oatmeal. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, okay? I know some of y'all are watching your sugar. Some of y'all are diabetics. But you know, I don't eat like that all the time. Sometimes I will put Splenda in there. But I know y'all, I know Splenda's not good for you. I know, all right? And you're going to put salt in there, a dash of salt. That's what they say, salt. Isn't this cute? Salt, all right? Not pepper, salt. And I'm also at the end, I am going to put some evaporated milk. This is carnation. You know, evaporated milk is carnation and pet milk. I know some of you young people don't know that. I know some of y'all don't. All right, and like I said, I'm also going to use regular milk here in my pot. I got, what is it? 1 cup, 1 3/4 cup, that's what's in here, of whole milk or 2% milk or whatever kind of milk you have on hand at the time. So that's all the ingredients, y'all. Okay, let's get it started. Oh, and I'm also going to use some margarine, okay? As much as you want to put in there. I can't tell you how much margarine you like. Or butter, either one will work. I'm going to boil this milk on medium heat. Maybe medium low. It's according to your stove and how the eye is, you know. The eyes, whatever you want to call them. Anyway, you're going to put in your salt. Pinch of salt, that's what I put in there. Not a whole lot, well, just a little bit more, okay? Not a whole lot where it's salty, y'all, okay? Just a pinch or a dash of salt. That's all you need. That's all you need. That's all you need. I'm also going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Pure, people, pure. Not that fake imitation stuff. Don't do it, okay? Ooh, it should be smelling good right now. You're going to bring this to a boil. Not too rapid, okay? Not too rapid, y'all. Smelling good already. If you need more vanilla extract, add it, okay? Basically, you can add it to your taste. You have to watch out when you're using milk, okay? because it can scorch, you know. Some people use water instead of milk. You can use water if you don't have milk to make this oatmeal, but I prefer using milk because milk just make it taste so much better. But make sure you watch it and it starts foaming up real. You need to like turn it down, you know. Just turn it down, all right? See how it's boiling there just a little bit? I don't know if y'all can see that. All right, just a little bit. Turn down. See it's foaming? See that? That's what you don't want, okay? I turned it down. Now I am going to add my 1 cup of oatmeal. Stir it around, okay? Stir it around good, mix it well. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn my eye down a little bit, okay y'all? Maybe a medium low or something like that. But you don't want it to be rapidly. You don't want it to be rapid boil, okay? Maybe just a slight boil where you can see the bubbles. That's about it, all right? You can put a top on it, or you cannot. I never add a top, but it's up to you, because I like to see what it's doing. I like to see. I don't want no surprises. Keep stirring, because you don't want it to stick. Okay, you don't have to keep stirring the whole time, but you want to go back and stir every so often. I'm getting ready to put in my ground cinnamon. I don't know if I said that in the beginning, but yes, I put ground cinnamon in here. Ground cinnamon. Just a little bit. I don't want a whole lot, okay? That may be about I don't know, half a teaspoon. It might, but maybe less than that. But put it in as much as you like. All right? Smelling good here, y'all. Smelling wonderful. Okay, y'all see this? It's not ready yet. It's not supposed to look like that. It's not, okay? Not ready. It's not ready. I'm going to add my evaporated milk. Just a little bit, y'all, okay? That's a tablespoon I put in there. That's a tablespoon. Something about evaporated milk that makes oatmeal taste good. If a tablespoon is not enough for you, you can add more, all right? Whoo, this is good. And you can also add your sugar if you like sugar, your family, you or whatever. You know, you can add your sugar while you're doing this as well. It's looking good. And it's not sticking. You don't want it to stick, y'all. I'm telling you, don't want it to stick. Now I'm going to add my 1 tablespoon of margarine or butter. Okay? Add it all in there. Ooh, smells so good. Still not done yet. It's getting there. It is getting there. You see how it's cooking, right? Not rapidly, just little bubbles. That's the way you want to cook it. Just be patient. It's going to get done. You'll know when it's done because it'll be soft. It won't feel like grainy like, okay? It's ready, y'all. It's ready. Do you see the thickness? Now, some people like theirs running like water, but I like mine a little thick. This is a little thick. You know, you can triple this recipe, double this recipe. You know, basically, you can make it your own. Just as long as you cook it long enough so it doesn't be raw. Raw, hard. This is nice and soft. The longer you cook it, the softer it gets. And if you need to add more milk, just add it gradually. You can tell when you need to add more milk because it will be getting too thick, too stiff, okay? All right, let's plate this up. Here it is, y'all. Time for a taste test. I'm telling you, y'all, this is good. It turns out great every time. Every time. I'm not lying. Now, I'm not going to eat that whole pot, okay? I'm only eating half of that. Then the rest probably tomorrow morning. You can warm this up, just add a little bit more milk and stir it around, and it'll be perfect every time, okay? Now, like I said before, this is better than instant oatmeal. It's wonderful. Make sure you cook it, you know, long enough, you know, simmering sort of like, until it gets done to your liking, all right? Some people like the grainy, you know, oatmeal, you know, the one that's kind of not grainy. I don't know the word for it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. People who eat oatmeal. But make sure you go buy you some Quaker Old Fashioned Oatmeal. It don't have to be that brand. It could be any brand, okay? It'll be fine. It will be fine. Because we know how expensive things are right now at this moment. All right. Let me get out of here. Let me know how y'all like it. Put it on down in the comments section. Thank you so very much for coming by. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss not one recipe. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it. And with all of that said, y'all, make sure that you come back to Cooking with Sandra Faye.